Hey, welcome to the show. My name is Joseph Earl McPeek, Esquire the Third, and you are watching a new series called Time Dune. Why do I call it Time Dune? Because, in my own personal opinion, Einstein was wrong. That's just my opinion, though, folks. Don't get me wrong. I might be wrong, but let me tell you what I think. And then you just tell me if you agree or not. You don't have to agree with me, no, but what if I'm right? If I'm right, then we are freaking screwed. Think about it. Oh boy, ooh, damn. Anyways, guys, think about it. What would happen if time really wasn't real and we're so dependent on these clocks and stuff? I don't have one. I don't have a watch either. I look at the clock at least as possible because I know it ain't real. There's nothing real about time. There can't be. It's its own separate thing. It does not compute. Think about it. Time can't compute. Time is a man made construct, and it's going to be man's doom if he doesn't get a hold of it right now. And I'm telling you, everything that Einstein said about light and light speed is wrong. Why don't we just start right there, okay? Yes, I have a dragon by the tail, and his first mistake was the elevator experiment. He said, there's no way to tell the difference between acceleration and gravity if you're inside an elevator in space. And if it accelerates, your feet on the ground, you can't tell if that's acceleration or gravity. What he means is you can't tell if the force is up or the force is down. That's what he means. And I agree with that. But here's what caught my eye. Here's how he cooked himself. If there's no way to tell between inertia and acceleration and gravity inside of an elevator, then why are you telling people that gravity makes the planet spin around the sun because the sun's so big that the planets are attracted to it? How could that be possible if you just said there's no way to tell the difference between inertia and gravity? So what are you saying? You just cooked your own theory, dude. There goes special relativity right there, man. So then I got to thinking. He says, light goes, and I'm just going to use 666 as a rounded off measure because I hate saying all the numbers, and that's not even what it is. So from now on, I've created my own speed. It's called Damian Speed. Damian Speed. It's 666 million miles per hour, okay? Let's just call that what Einstein wanted, a constant. It's 660 million miles per hour, okay? That's where I'm stopping Einstein. Okay, because think about it, folks. If light went that fast, and it can't because it has no mass, If it did that, how are you going to catch up to it to measure it? Think about it. No, I'm being serious here. I'm not being a clown. How in the heck did he get out on that beam of light, take his tape measure out, and say, boom? Come on, man. Light does not go 660 million miles per hour, dude. I can say that with all the confidence in my world, in my universe. Look, folks. Do you see how that little blue, the little blue line kind of arcs? Do you see that arc? Okay, folks. Look, that's not a straight line. That's an arc. Why does it do that? Well, I know it ain't because light goes. It's because space moves. Okay? He's got it wrong. Now, folks, do you see the little curve? That's because our planet is moving. And it's on top of another movement system that's on top of another movement system on top of another movement system. But what Einstein's telling you, and he's getting you all confused, guys, and I'm telling you, he is getting you all confused. He's saying, okay, Joe, get on the back of a truck, get ready to throw the ball, stand up behind the pickup in the back of the bed, and he's going to go 60 miles an hour, and you're going to throw the ball forward as hard as you can. Let's say that's 10 miles per hour. Actually, it's 40. I can throw it 40 miles per hour. So, if Joe does that and throws the ball in the back of the bed, you add, you don't times. See, this is another part of E equals MC squared. You don't square it. You don't square it. No, you add. You add the speed of the ball, 40, to the speed of the truck, and that's 60. So, how fast is the ball going when Joe throws it 40 miles per hour? The ball is now going 100 miles per hour because you added the speed onto speed. Now, what Nimrod over there named, well, you know his name, he's telling you that light moves. How? No, matter moves. Okay. I know what I'm talking about here, folks. Matter moves. And that's all that matters, is that moves matter. And matter moves. And moves. Matter. And matter moves. And it doesn't matter if matter is even matter. That doesn't matter. Oh, guys, we've been streaming for 8, almost 9 minutes. And we've gone through some key points of why I think, in my own humble opinion, that Einstein was wrong. He was wrong about light speed. There's no way light can travel at all. It's just sitting there in a lattice, waiting for matter to come by, okay? Okay? And we're going to get into the worst things, though. We are going to get into the drama of the facts, because it's very important that we save the world from Einstein's theories, because there is a thing called time doom. Okay? Time doom, dude. Yo, it's time doom, dude. How many ticks does it take to get to the center of the universe? How many takes does it take to get to the 7th verse? heaven verse. How many times have I told you, son? When you look at the sun, it ain't a bunion. It ain't a bunion, son. Okay, I just thought of something, guys. Here's one more bonus cloister for you. When you look at the sun, how long does the light take to get from the sun to you? 1 plank. That means as soon as you look at it, it's there. None of this 9-minute stuff, 8-minute stuff, dude. Because that's only if light speed was light speed, then yes, it would take 8 minutes for the light to travel from the sun to the earth to your eye, to your retina. But it doesn't. Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids. And I'm getting sick and tired of this Einstein stuff messing up the world. Think about it. Think about how bad Bobo Head is. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll come back and explain a lot more later. Thank you, guys. This has been a Joseph Earl McPeek, Esquire production. Oh my God. Have no fear. Just to drink a beer. You know I have no fear. You know I have no gear. A console neither. A console neither. I got no gear. I'm out of beer.